Today we're covering what happens during a driveway pour, step by step. Here's what you need to know. A concrete driveway pour involves site prep, forming, mix delivery, placement, finishing, and curing, typically 7 to 14 days start to finish. Here's what to expect. Quick answer. A concrete driveway pour involves 8 key steps: site prep, base compaction, forming, reinforcement, concrete delivery, screeding, finishing with a broom, and curing for 7 to 28 days. Active work takes 1 to 2 days. Full strength develops in 28 days. Whether you're planning your first concrete project or replacing an aging driveway, understanding what happens during a pour demystifies the process and helps you prepare for disruption, cost, and timing. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This guide walks you through each step of a driveway pour, from the first shovel of excavation through the final curing phase, so you know what to expect and why each stage matters. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. A typical residential driveway pour takes 1 to 2 days of active work, with the concrete reaching 70% strength in 7 days and full strength in 28 days. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Most driveways in North Carolina range from 3 to 12 per square foot depending on site conditions, thickness, and finish type. Understanding each step of the pour process helps homeowners plan schedules, budget accurately, and avoid costly mistakes during the critical curing window. Moving on to overview of the driveway pour process. A concrete driveway pour is a coordinated sequence of tasks that typically unfolds over 1 to 2 days of active work, followed by a 7 to 28-day curing period. The process begins weeks before the concrete truck arrives: planning, permitting if required, site evaluation, and cost estimation. Once you and your contractor agree on scope and pay-on-completion terms, the actual pour happens in 8 distinct stages. According to the Portland Cement Association, PCA, proper execution of each stage, from subgrade preparation through curing, is the foundation of long-term driveway durability. A single weak link, such as inadequate base compaction or premature traffic, can shorten a driveway's lifespan from 25 to 30 years to 10 to 15 years. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.